Let's discuss about the morphology of flowering plants. Today I am going to discuss about the inflorescence. So what is the meaning of the inflorescence for the flowers? Inflorescence is known as arrangement of flowers on the floral axis. Inflorescence is of two kinds, racemose and cymose. What is racemose? Main axis continuous to grow, flowers are borne in an acropetal manner. That is known as racemose. Roses, mustard, radish and grapes are the example of racemose inflorescence. What is cymose? It is main axis terminates in a flower. Flowers are borne in basipetal manner. It is called cymose. Night jasmine, drosera and begonia are the example of cymose inflorescence. What is the importance of inflorescence? Inflorescence makes flowers more conspicuous to pollinating agents, so that chances of cross-pollination are high. Pollinating agents may be insects or birds. What is the difference between flower and inflorescence? Flower is modified shoot with specific nodes and internodes. It is the reproductive organ in angiosperms. Beside it, inflorescence is a flower group present on the floral axis.